ढिंका चिका ढिंका चिका
Hope this message finds you in the best of spirits. It is common knowledge that humanity has been forced to contend with a deadly pandemic. And if any year could be celebrated in appreciation of our teachers, this is it. From working round the clock to coming up from scratch, new ideas to take our online classes. Dear teachers, your sacrifices, your leadership and your support would never go unnoticed. As Carmel School comes together to celebrate Teachers' Day on the 5th of September, commemorating the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a great educator himself, former President of India, an academic and a philosopher who insisted that his birthday be celebrated as a day to exalt the sacrifices of our teachers nationwide. Dear teachers, we want you to know that no amount of words would ever encapsulate our love and regard for you. A student's journey from the time alphabets are mere alphabets to the time they turn into complex equations is not undertaken without the aid and abet of a teacher. It is funny how we grow up thinking that the reprimands and scoldings of our dear teachers are like prison bars keeping up from the seemingly interesting world and the palpable sap of life. It is only now, when we are ready to take flight, that we realize that those very reprimands were the wings of the mother bird's cushioning its newborn against a cruel world harboring crushing realities. Dear teachers, as we pass through this deadly pandemic, we want you to know that we see you, we appreciate you, and we are here for you. With this, a very happy Teachers' Day.
All these years of school life is a bag full of exciting and enlightening experiences. We students wholeheartedly want to thank all the teachers and sisters of our school. The word thank you is very less for all of you. We just want you all to know that we love you and we are very sorry for all the troubles we have caused you all these years. You all are special for all of us. This is our last year of school. We never wanted things to end up like this, but all the credit goes to Corona. So, teachers and sisters, this is a little thing that we all have done for you. We hope that you like it.
तुम्हारा, मैं तुम्हारा, तुम्हारा रहा। तुम ना हुए मेरे तो क्या। तू ही पहली गुजारिश, हसरत भी तू आखिरी। माही मेरे मसीहा, मर्जी बता क्या तेरी। मैं तुम्हारा, मैं तुम्हारा, मैं तुम्हारा रहा। मेरे चंदा, मैं तुम्हारा सितारा रहा। तुम ना हुए मेरे तो क्या। तुम ना हुए मेरे तो क्या। मैं तुम्हारा, मैं तुम्हारा, मैं तुम्हारा रहा। मेरे चंदा, मैं तुम्हारा सितारा रहा। तुम ना हुए मेरे तो क्या।
धागे तोड़ लाओ चांदनी से नूर के, घूंघट ही बना लो रोशनी से नूर के।
शर्मा गई तो आगोश में लो, हो सांसों से उलझी रहे मेरी सांसें।
बोलना हल्के हल्के, बोलना हल्के हल्के, होंठ से हल्के हल्के, बोलना हल्के।
बोलना हल्के हल्के, बोलना हल्के हल्के, होठ से हल्के हल्के, बोलना हल्के।
থামবি না, জাস্ট করতে থাক।
नींद का सौदा करें, एक ख्वाब दे, एक ख्वाब ले।
एक ख्वाब तो आँखों में है,
করতে থাক।
एक चांद के तकिए
হয়তো হয়ে
तले।
গেছে, কিছু বলি।
कितने दिनों से ये आसमां भी सोया नहीं है, इसको सुला दे।
बोलना हल्के हल्के, बोलना हल्के हल्के, होठ से हल्के हल्के, बोलना हल्के।
बोलना हल्के हल्के, बोलना हल्के हल्के, होंठ से हल्के हल्के, बोलना हल्के।
कहीं तो दिल में यादों की एक सूली गर जाती है, कहीं हर एक तस्वीर खुश रहता है। कोई सब कुछ पाके भी ये मन ही मन कहता है। कहने को साथ अपने एक दुनिया चलती है, पर चुपके इस दिल में तन्हाई पलती है। बस यार साथ है, तेरी याद साथ है, तेरी याद साथ है, तेरी याद साथ है।
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। जो ही बदली दिल की ताल है, आहा यूं ही आया एक ख्याल है, आहा पाते हमें जिंदगी एक बार, क्यों न करे खुल के हम इसका प्यार। जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार, कि जिंदगी यही है और यही। जो भी कल तक बस का आरज़ू, आहा वो ही पा गए हैं मैं और तू, आहा थामे हम हाथों में यूं ही हाथ, शहर दिल में घूमेंगे साथ साथ। सारे सारे दिन सारी सारी रात बरस रही है एक खुशी हर कहीं। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी।
It takes a special person to teach a child in class, to just keep his attention in a world that moves so fast, to show a child he is unique with talents deep inside, to help to build his confidence so he can beam with pride, to show a little patience for a child who's lost his way, to a child who feels abundant, who has seen better days, to inspire and to motivate so a child can learn and grow, to go into this big wide world that has its highs and lows. You are a special person. You always give your best. And for every child who has your class, their life is truly blessed. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day.
This is my last year in the school, and this journey began with you all, especially Arpita ma'am, Krishna ma'am, Shanti ma'am, Victoria ma'am. You all hold a really special place in our hearts. I would really like to thank you all for building such a strong foundation stone of ours on which we stand today. Amitabh sir, Devashish sir, Vishwapriya sir, Paulson sir, we have grown up watching you, and you all have been so inspiring to all of us ever since. There has never been any dull moment around you all. Shomi ma'am, you have been an really amazing guide to all of us since class 5. I will really miss and cherish these days forever. Thank you for whatever you all have done for us. Happy Teachers' Day.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. One thing that I would remember and cherish throughout my life is the constant love and support that I have received from all of you. Today, I will specially mention Shanti ma'am and Namrata ma'am for always being a mother figure to me and always correcting me at every mistake of mine. I really believe it would not have been possible for me to score such good marks without the special endeavors of Shanti ma'am, Namrata ma'am, Shravana ma'am, Moushumi ma'am in their respective subjects. Thank you so much, ma'am, for all your constant support and love throughout. I again wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
Teachers are those who shapes the mind of nation. I would like to extend my deepest regards to all my teachers who have made me what I am today, especially to my former class teacher Rubina ma'am and Krishna ma'am, who have been the mother figures to me. Thank you, Sister Linas, for being the backbone of Carmelites. Happy Teachers' Day.
When we were in class 10, on the first day of our ICSE examinations, we were extremely tense and nervous. I remember all our teachers were standing on the way to the examination hall. They were praying for us, they were blessing us, and they were equally tensed. I remember there was also a smile on their face which motivated us. Blessed to have teachers like this.
Every time I close my eyes, this nostalgic memories hits me from last year. It was such a magnificent year where I learned and discovered various new things with the guidance of our sisters and teachers who are extremely generous and helpful. I really miss you all and hope to see you all soon.
I remember the extra classes when we used to sneak out with our friends for having puchkas.
And there used to be a huge crowd in front of the stalls and we used to get late to the class every time.
And got punished. So the class used to be wasted like that.
We would really miss that.
For the past 15 years, every mistake of my life has been met with the constant support and love of our teachers. A very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Special mention of Moushumi ma'am, Shanti ma'am and Sujata ma'am. Teachers, if you are seeing this, it is you who made me realize the wonders of the English language and literature. Thank you for never giving up on me. A very happy Teachers' Day to you again.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers. As a student of the outgoing batch, I would love to say that it's been 15 long years since I am a part of this esteemed institution. We started our journey from learning the alphabets and we are ending it on learning the complex equation. It was of course a bumpy one, but the teachers never gave up on us. They were always there to help us whenever we needed. So thank you for being there. Thank you for bringing a candle to my life. Thank you so much. And once again, a very, very happy Teachers' Day to all of you.
Teachers are next to parents, who selflessly and tirelessly nurture us to make us our best selves. Whatever I am today, I owe it to you all. Thank you. Though you wrote in black and white, you brought colors in my life. I miss you all so much, and I love you too, and I hope to see you all soon.
15 years ago, we walked into the school, afraid because the place was unknown to our curious minds. But in the course of these 15 years, we found friends and was blessed with teachers. Eventually, we found a family, more than just a school, our second home. But the thing is that a few months later, we won't be here anymore. As the outgoing batch of 2021, all we want to say is that thank you, teachers, from throwing us out of the class, scolding us, to loving us, caring us, and encouraging us. And most importantly, for being there with us. Thank you. Love you all, and happy Teachers' Day.
So happy